Now let's see some of the industries and areas where data science is being applied. All right. Now, as you might have witnessed or as you might have experienced or known, data science is applied in every single field, right? Data science itself is not an independent domain, right? It's not an independent domain that you said, okay, this is say medical field, right? Data science, or this is medical field, or this is an e-commerce field, or this is banking field, right? Data science, it's not a particular domain like that, right? It's not like telecommunication that you say, okay, this is a telecommunication field, or this is a medical field, or something like that. Data science is not like that. It is just a catalyst, right, that you can apply in any other field, right? In any other field. That's what makes them more, that's what gives them more, opportunity and upper hand on any other domain, because they can work in any other domain as far as data is concerned, right? There's no domain that do not generate data or does not require the skills of data scientists. Okay, that's why most of the job openings are still data scientists, and they pay them huge. Okay, and in the US, it has been the number one since 2008. It has continuously been the number one job. Both in pay and in lucrativeness of the job. Okay, data science has been the most in demand job, right? They actually describe it as the sexiest job of the 21st century. Okay. So as you can see over here, in agriculture, in health, in banking, in government, insurance, energy, retail, and e-commerce, communications, everywhere, right? Everywhere in this world, everywhere every industry that you can think of, data science is being applied over there, right? And there are a lot of use cases that makes data science more prominent in the industry, right? For instance, anomaly detection in the banking sector, money laundering, right, in the banking sector, segmentation in the e-commerce sector, right? Which customers are buying this and what should we recommend to them if they buy this, right? All those kind of things, right? Upsell and downsell, right? You bought this, you can also add this, right? Those kind of recommendations that they do. Oh, you love this movie, you can also watch this movie. In the supply chain, customer transaction behavior, everything that you can think of, right? Everything that you can think of in this world, data science is being applied over there, right? So if you want to become a data scientist, getting a job or industry where you work should be the less problem that you should worry about, right? That should be the less thing that you should worry about. What you should worry about is developing your skills very well. Okay, once you have the skill, there's no the sky is just the beginning, right? The sky is just the beginning. All right, and even what makes it more fascinating is that if you learn one skill in one area, you can even apply it in another area, right? You can still apply that skill in another area. For instance, if you're in a banking sector and then you're a data scientist there and your work is to detect anomalies, right? That is whether the transactions that are going on are fake or they are normal transactions, right? These kind of situations or these kind of scenarios can also be applied in the telecommunication sector, right? Whether a particular communication is normal or it's going to bring some kind of a cyber threat to the society. Okay, so all these things are, intertwined, right? You can learn one skill in one domain and then bring it to another domain and even more lucrative. Okay.